In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce background noise in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever been in a Teams meeting only to hear barking dogs, passing traffic, or perhaps the not-so-distant hum of your neighbor's lawnmower, you'll know how distracting it can be. Fortunately, Microsoft Teams has a built-in feature to help minimize these disruptions and keep your meetings as clear as possible. Let's dive into the steps to enable this handy feature. First off, you'll need to launch your Microsoft Teams application. Whether you're using Teams on a desktop or through a web browser, ensure you're logged in and ready to make some adjustments to your settings. Once you're in Teams, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. It should be a small circle displaying either your initials or your profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options including setting adjustments that we're about to tweak. From this drop-down menu, find and click on the Settings option. This will open a new window where you'll be able to see a variety of options that cater to your team's experience, ranging from privacy settings to device configurations. In the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side and find the Devices tab. Clicking on it will display all the configurations related to your audio and video hardware. This includes options for your microphone, speakers, and cameras, which are essential for smooth communication during meetings. Now that you're in the Devices section, you'll want to locate the Noise Suppression option. This is where the magic happens. Microsoft Teams provides you with several levels of noise suppression to choose from, and the right level for you will depend on your background noise situation. Click on the Noise Suppression toggle to activate this feature. You can select a level that Microsoft offers: auto, low, high, or off. If you're in a particularly noisy environment, setting it to high will eliminate most of the unwanted sounds. If you're in a quieter setting, low might suffice. Auto is the default and adjusts according to your environment. And that's it. You should now experience much clearer audio during your Teams meetings with reduced background noise thanks to this built-in feature. It's a small adjustment that can significantly enhance your virtual meeting experience, allowing you and your colleagues to focus more on the conversation and less on the disruptions. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide has helped you take control of your meeting environment. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more Teams tips and tricks.